Hello, everybody. I am back again with another video on the poem Friend of Nobody. Friend of Nobody is a poem written by the famous poet Enid Blyton. This is a poem for the kids of Standard 2. Children, do you like making friends? Do you like to share your things with others? Do you know someone who doesn't share anything with others? Let's see in this poem. Coming up to the first stanza. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She's nobody's friend. In this stanza, there is a girl who never used to share her sweets with anyone. She, even though, didn't allow anyone to lend her book with. This girl never ever allowed anyone to play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. Coming up to the second stanza, he had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. In this stanza, there is a boy who had some toffee and he ate every bit of it. This boy never ever lended his tricycle with anyone. And even though he never ever allowed anyone to play with his train, he is nobody's friend. Coming up to the third stanza, but I'll share all of my sweets with you. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I'm your friend. In this stanza, there is a girl who is ready to share all of her sweets. She is even ready to lend her ball, her books, and even her games. This girl is even ready to lend half of her cake and half of her apple. She is everybody's friend. This poem is written by the famous poet Enid Blyton. Coming up to the rhyming words. Rhyming words are those words which have the same sound and end up with the same letter. For example, first example is book. The rhyming words for the word book will be look and cook. Second, the word is lend, and the rhyming words for the word lend will be blend and send because they end up with the same letter, that is D. Third one, play. The rhyming words for the word play will be clay and slay. Fourth, bit. The rhyming words for the word bit will be sit and hit. Lastly, train. The rhyming words for the word train will be brain and grain because they end up with the same letter, that is N. Students, I hope you've understood this poem properly. Thank you.